Greetings friends, thank you for opening up to watch my videos every time. Today let's talk about something that surrounds us every day and literally change our world: gadgets. We all use them, whether it's smartphones, smartwatches or headphones. But have you ever wondered what gadget might surprise you the most? Or maybe which device you would like to get your hands on in the future? Today I invite you to go on a fascinating journey through the world of technology and get acquainted with the top 6 new products that will soon appear on the market and are already generating a lot of interest. Ready? Let's go! Smartphone with a flexible screen on the next generation. Already now flexible smartphones are attracting attention, but the next models promise to be even more advanced. Their screens will be flexible to the point where the phone can be folded in half, quadrupled, or even rolled up into a tube. In the future, we can expect smartphones with even stronger screens and better features. Augmented reality glasses. Augmented reality glasses are expected to be a real breakthrough. With their help, it will be possible to instantly get information about what surrounds us. These glasses will become not just an entertainment device, but a real assistant in everyday life, from work to shopping and socializing. Smartwatches with the function of health monitoring on a new level. In the coming years, smartwatches will become even smarter. Not only will they be able to measure your heart rate and track your steps, but they will also be able to do blood tests, monitor your stress levels, and even predict the development of various diseases. This will make health monitoring simple and accessible to everyone. Kitchen robot chefs. Who wouldn't dream of a kitchen robot that will cook dinner itself? Such devices will soon become a reality. Robots will be able to cook complex dishes according to a recipe, and all you have to do is load the ingredients. The smart chef will do everything itself, including setting the table. Smart contact lenses. Imagine contact lenses that would show you your health data, work as a navigator, or even serve as a screen for watching videos. These developments are already well underway, and we will soon see the first models on the market. Drones for delivery straight to the door. The near future promises to make the delivery of goods even faster and more convenient with the help of drones. The ordered goods will literally fly to your home. Already now, some companies are testing this technology, and soon drones will become a regular part of our lives. Technology doesn't stand still, and each of these new products promises to make our lives easier, more interesting and more convenient. But what I like the most is the opportunity to be one step ahead and to watch ideas turned into reality. Now I have a question for you. Which gadget from this list would you like to try first? Or maybe there is another gadget you are looking forward to? Thanks for watching! Subscribe to my OnlyFans page so you don't miss reviews of new technologies and stay up to date with the latest innovations. See you soon!